Crane operator, lift slowly. Take the weight. This rabbit train is ancient. The wheels are frozen solid. The rabbit shape is still visible. We need heavy equipment. We can save the nose structure. The wheels are completely frozen, but the rabbit ear fins are intact. We need a powerful crane. These chains need to be positioned carefully. These side chains must hold the weight. The chains are secure. We're ready for the lift. The front chains are ready. Connect the cables carefully. The side chains are secure. Cables are secure. Operator is ready. Begin the lift.
Applying tension!
Stand clear! The chains are getting tight. The wheels are shifting slightly. The chains are holding. Take the weight. Slowly. Hold. Keep moving slowly. Keep moving. Structure is holding. Moving finally. Heavy locomotive. Holding well. Keep going. Finally, it's here. Position it carefully. The ears are still intact. Set it down, slowly. Now the real work begins. Structure holding. Keep moving. Wheels are clear. Moving forward. Side panels intact. Great design. Rear is clear. Workshop ahead. Washers ready. This will remove the grime. Hoses are connected. Wear your protective gear. The drainage is clear. This will be earth. This will be intense. We must remove the dirt first. Amazing shape. We are ready to... Let's wash this rabbit nose first. Look at all this dirt coming off. The wheels are releasing years of mud. The side panels are releasing foam. Cover the entire train. The rabbit head, ears, roof... Years of mud and base. Years of mud and grime. The side panels washed. Cover the entire rabbit train with thick foam. Every section is covered in foam now. This is the first step complete. Rinsing the rabbit nose now. The wheels are exposed now. The rear section is clear now. Starting on the rabbit nose. Thick rust covers the lower body, cleaning window frames carefully. The rear section is cleaning up nicely. The heavy rust is coming off. The lower panels are clearing up. The window frames are solid. The original metal is showing. The original shape is perfect. Applying rust remover to the rabbit nose. The lower panels need this chemical. Window frames need careful application. The rear panels are being treated. The nose is clean and the shape is perfect. The lower panels are clearing up. The original metal is showing. Window frames are cleaning up nicely. This train is incredible. Let's clean the SADAIF Express logo. The rust is coming off carefully. The lettering is still readable. This is a legendary train. This window glass is completely broken. I'm removing the damaged pieces carefully. I'm cleaning the metal frame. I'm measuring the frame for replacement glass. We'll replace these windows soon. The glass is removed, the frames are clean. All measurements are taken, we're ready. This section near the rabbit nose is completely rotten. I'm cutting out the metal. The metal around this window frame is damaged. Lower panel prepared. Rear panel ready. Starting the front weld. Lower panel is being welded now. Window frame is being welded. We are making excellent progress. The lifting connection is secure. Crane operator, lift slowly. Take the weight gently and keep moving it. The front is exposed. We can begin. Chains are ready. It is intact. We can work now. Well preserved. We can restore it. White paint is going on. Silver details are going on. The rabbit head is being polished. The logo is almost clean. We are making progress. We are almost there. Let's get these seats back in. The curtains are going back up. Lights are going in. Wall fixtures are going back. The interior is almost finished. Coming back to life. It looks incredible. Wow. Driver's seat is going in. The controls are being mounted. Speed meter is going in. Battery is going in. Wiring is reconnected. Engine connections completed. Final coat going on. The white looks perfect. The rabbit head is polished. It's beautiful. No rust. The SADAIF Express is fully restored. Windows are going in. The train will be perfect. Lights and handles are going on. Decorative pieces are being installed. The logo is the final touch. SADAIF Express is officially back. Driver's controls are ready. Electrical system is stable. Passenger interior is ready. Let's go! Driver controls are ready. Power is stable. Interior is complete. All doors are secure. Engine start. SADAIF Express is moving. We're in the United States. The SADAIF Express has arrived. Look at this landscape. Everything is finished. Alhamdulillah.